Embassy Office Parks is one of the largest and finest office portfolio in the country. We've got a 33 million square foot portfolio, 7 large infrastructure-like parks, 4 city centre offices in the leading cities of Mumbai, Pune, Noida and Bengaluru.
India is the world's fastest growing major economy and has emerged as a leading global services hub for major corporations. India's services sector is expected to grow faster than GDP due to its talent pool and cost advantages.
With its quality and scale, Embassy Office Parks is positioned to capitalize on this unique services sector growth opportunity in India. Over the last 5 years in our key markets of Bengaluru, Pune, Mumbai and Noida, we have witnessed world-leading absorption, which is higher than the absorption of some of the large global cities such as New York, San Francisco, Tokyo, Shanghai and central London. This robust office absorption coupled with constrained supply has resulted in strong rental growth and low vacancy across our markets.
We have 160 tenants based in our business parks. Over 80% of those are international companies like JP Morgan, Google and Microsoft. Whether they're in a growth mode or whether they're in a consolidation mode, we're able to provide those corporate occupiers a solution. The quality and scale of our portfolio is quite remarkable. We have great buildings, great infrastructure and world-class corporate occupiers in our parks. And yet the capital values of those places are a tenth or less than markets like London, New York, Hong Kong.
So I would say actually our biggest strength has been the quality of the tenants we've had and the relationships we maintain. I think this business is more about building relationship with your customer. We've been proactive with the customer and that's helped us grow the company.
Our assets provide a complete business ecosystem to our corporate occupiers, such as on-campus hotels, childcare facilities, outdoor sports facilities. We provide a complete bouquet of amenities to our tenant employees.
We have a very stable and simple business model. The stability of the cash flows comes from a portfolio that's 95% occupied. We also have embedded growth in the portfolio.
A strong embedded growth comes from contracted rental escalations, mark-to-market on releasing, vacancy lease-ups, and on-campus development opportunities.
Now that we've listed and used the proceeds from our IPO and subsequent bond offering to delever, we have a low net debt to total enterprise value ratio of 11%. That gives us significant headroom to grow our business in 2 areas. One is on campus in our current existing development pipeline, and the other is through acquisitions.
Both inorganic external acquisitions as well as our ability to
acquire Embassy sponsor assets through a right of first offer arrangement.
We have a great management team in place. There's an average 20 years experience in our markets within our team. We have over 60 people in our manager. We have 2 of the leading sponsors, great quality assets, and a blue chip corporate occupier roster of international companies. So we see tremendous potential for growth over the coming years.